The correct operation, mode and process of the hydrated lime ball press is very important. For example, when the hydrated lime ball press is put into production before starting, it is in a high load state during the starting process, which not only consumes electricity, but also is very bad for the equipment. Therefore, according to the correct operation, mode can also achieve the purpose of saving energy. The motor of the hydrated lime ball press is the key to how much electricity is used. After buying the ball press, it is determined that energy saving should be paid attention to in the matching. Therefore, in the purchase of motor, not only to match the equipment, but also to reduce power consumption, to improve the efficiency of the hydraulic lime ball machine itself, such as replacing the motor self-cooling fan with other cold fans. You can stop using the air cooler in winter when the load is very small, or the outdoor motor, so as to reduce energy consumption.